welcome to my class. Today we are going to talk about the factors of insightful learning and educational significance of this theory. Okay, so in our last class or previous class, we already talked about the theory insightful learning, and here we are proceed with these 2 points. So this is your focus question. The first one is insightful learning, factors of insightful learning, that is for 4 marks, and the next one, that is explain the educational significance of insightful learning, is also for 4 marks. Okay, so let's start the class. So insightful learning mainly depends on certain factors. The first one is experience. So experience influences on the insightful solution of the problem. So to solve some problem, your experience is very much important, because based on which your insight will come out from your body, based on which you can going to solve a problem. Okay, so experience is a part of, or actually as a factor, which mainly depends on insightful learning. Okay, next one is your intelligence. If you are intelligent, then you will solve a problem easily. Okay, so it is also a factor that impact on insightful learning, or that's actually depend on insightful learning. So the level of intelligence also influences on having insightful solution. So if your IQ is better than your friend's IQ, that means what? If you are too intelligent, if you are very much intelligent, then you can find out any solution, any problem, solution of any problem. Okay, so intelligence is a factor that impact on that's actually depend on insightful learning. Okay, the next one is learning situation. So insightful learning depends on the suitability of learning situation. If the learning situation is good, then insightful learning takes place. Okay, so in learning situation also depend on insightful learning. Okay, next one is initial effort. So initially in insightful learning, there is the influence of trial and error method of learning, but it does not continue long. So trial and error method of learning does not continue long. Okay, so your first initial effort is very much important for insightful learning. Okay, students, only trial and error is not important, and it is actually not long term. It is not actually long durability. It does not have long durability. Therefore, in case of insightful learning, initial effort is very much important, because your initial effort shows you the main way based on which you can come to the learning. Okay, next one is repetition and generalization. After having insightful learning of a task, that learning needs repetition for application in similar situation. Okay, just assume you are going to do, actually you are doing a work, and you are not actually complete the task. Okay, or having problem to complete the task in a fast time. For example, the chimpanzee, when first trying to complete the actually catch the or reach the banana, he jumps. Okay, he jumps from the ground or inside the cage, but could not get the banana. Then he repeated the task to come and find a generalized, means to find out the exact way where you can, where actually your insight will come out. Okay, so these are the 5 factors which impact on, or actually which depends on insightful learning. For first one is experience. For insightful learning, experience is very much important. Okay, if you are intelligent, that means your insight will come, you will certain, or your presence of mind, it will come to complete the task. Learning situation also depend on for insightful learning. Okay, and these are the 5 points. So let's our second point, that is educational significance of insightful learning. So first one is teachers should realize that the complete structure and organization of a topic or subject matter plays an important role in learning. So it is mainly based on the word, that is whole is important rather than parts. So complete structure and organization of a topic is very much important. If the teacher provide you the knowledge about the whole topic or complete structure and organization of a topic, then the student will learn very easily. Okay, next one is inner potentials of a child may be developed. So your inborn talents, your inner potentialities, and your inherent ideologies, okay, concept, talents, may be developed with the help of insightful learning. Okay, so next one, that is makes learner self-dependent. Insightful learner is a theory which actually helps you to develop your ideologies, your potentialities, as well as it will help you to make you self-dependent. Okay, so our next point, it is useful for scientific inventions and useful for scientific discoveries. Okay, so insightful learning is very useful for scientific inventions and different types of discoveries. It is also useful for inventions as well as discoveries. Okay, because just assume insightful means what actually your inherent, your certain ideas will come out. Okay, based on which you can invent something or you can discover something. Okay, so next one is, this theory makes learning purposeful and goal oriented. Okay, so another educational significance of insightful learning is actually this theory makes learning purposeful and goal oriented. Okay, the last one is, it is helpful for gifted children. Okay, the students who are gifted, who are actually very talented, or whose IQ level is above the average level, those or exceptional children, actually insightful learning is very much helpful for them to actually identify or actually find out very important or good or actually quality ideas from their mind to improve the society and improve the lifestyle of that person. So this is all about the education significance of insightful learning. Okay students, thank you. Or if you face any doubt, then you can